Just got the new Pixel 9? The case you pick can make all the difference between a phone that looks brand new and one full of battle scars. Let's check out the best options. The Lanhiem case with privacy screen protector is a lifesaver if you value both privacy and protection for your Pixel 9. Right out of the box, it feels solid and reassuring in your hand, but surprisingly not too bulky or heavy. I immediately love the built-in privacy screen. It keeps nosy parkers from seeing your display, while still letting your screen stay crisp and responsive. The grippy edges add a steady, slip-resistant feel, excellent for everyday handling. And the snug fit means your Pixel feels fully secure. Want a sense of tranquility knowing your screen is shielded from scratches and prying eyes? This case delivers just that, giving both peace of mind and a touch of sophistication every time you pull out your phone. The OtterBox Black case is that classic rugged option we all know and trust, now optimized for MagSafe with the Pixel 9. Once in your hand, it's unmistakably tough. There's a satisfying grip and clear sense that your precious device is wrapped in superior defense. I was impressed by how seamlessly it works with MagSafe accessories. Going from wallet to wireless charger is quick and reliable, a huge time saver day to day. The cutouts are perfectly aligned, so you never fumble to plug in a charger or headphones. Isn't it great when you don't have to sacrifice protection for convenience? This case is built for those who live life on the go and need sturdy, hassle-free coverage. With the James shockproof cover with ring holder, affordable protection meets versatility in a way that surprised me. This case is lightweight and slim, but it still feels like it's gluing your pixels back if it ever takes a tumble. Exactly what a shockproof cover should do. The real game changer is the ring holder on the back. I found myself using it constantly, whether for a safer grip or as a handy kickstand for streaming videos. It's a small touch that makes a big difference, especially when holding the Pixel one-handed. Looking for an easy way to keep your phone secure during selfies or commutes? This cover turns everyday usage into something noticeably more comfortable. The Surge Protective Case, compatible with MagSafe, instantly makes your Pixel 9 look and feel more premium. The smooth, robust finish caught my eye right away, and sliding my phone in gave it a snug, reassuring fit. This case truly shines with MagSafe compatibility. You can accessorize effortlessly, and it clings perfectly to compatible chargers. The raised bezels give extra peace of mind for those accidental drops, while precise cutouts ensure you never lose access to any features. Don't you want to combine protection with effortless style? The Surge makes you feel confident showing off your device anywhere.